I do want to say that I've never done any warm-up, I haven't done any pre-cardio, I've never even touched a kettlebell, except for moving them around his gym a few times.
Yeah, like Kody's a blank slate, which is what makes this all the more beautiful. And really the goal here is to just get you into the shape of your life.
With minimal time.
Minimal time, minimal hassle. So the first exercise we need to learn, and what most people need to relearn, is the swing, because this is one exercise that you see done incorrectly all the time. So at least with Kody, we don't have any bad habits to break. Now the first problem with the swing is people, I see this at the gym with these big muscular guys, they do this kind of stuff, where they're doing the squat, and then, okay, that's not a swing. A swing is, boom, full body, boom, moving your hips, to propel that weight up. So that's too light, right? That's the first thing we need to do is get something appropriately heavy for Kody. And here's a good situation where using a mirror is nice, because then you can see what I'm doing, what you're doing, and you're gonna catch on to this in a moment.
So you're like pumping it off here?
I'm actually, let's just start by grabbing the kettlebell.
Grab it. You gotta grab it with your back fully arched.
Yeah, you want to, because we need you into the clinic more. Now you want your feet about shoulder width apart, toes turned outwards. And then you want to get the kettlebell swinging, just sort of, kind of like your baby. As you swing it back towards your junk there, you stick your hips back. So as it's swinging back, your hips go back.
How come it feels like my arms are short?
Well,
It's gonna hit my dingling.
well, if it feels like it's going to hit your dingling, that's where you shoot your hips back.
Hips back.
Yeah, do what comes naturally. You're sitting back, you're standing up. Sitting back. Now sit back a little further. You know what the problem is? Very common problem. Set that kettlebell down. Those shorts are absolutely inappropriate for kettlebell training. So there's three things I really love about these shorts compared to those other ones we had. Number one, they're Lululemon, okay? Number two, they're promoting my brand. And number three, look how high up the thighs they ride. The reason for that with kettlebells is we're going to be doing a lot of squats, and we're going to be doing a lot of things that we don't want our fabric catching onto our arms on the kettlebell. And really, for kettlebell training, most of the time we're going to be doing it in the comfort of our own home, where no one can see what we're doing and how we're transforming our bodies in secret, right? So,
Okay, so let's run through this because
we're going to grab our kettlebells. Now, we're going to just start by getting the kettlebells. Go a little wider with your stance. A little bit wider. We're going to get the kettlebell just sort of doing what comes naturally. And our arms are relaxed. And as you see, he's already catching on. So now shoot those hips back a little further. Yeah, a little further. You're hiking the ball to the quarterback now. Hiking the ball to Tom Wayne. Hike it. Yeah. Good. Now get a little bit more aggressive. Snap those hips. That butt is tight at the top. Yep. $100 bill. I know how greedy you are. Here's a $100 bill every time you squeeze those butt cheeks together. Good. Good. Deep breath in on the way down. Good. Let go with your right hand. Keep going. Yes. Thank you. Harder. Get harder. Get aggressive. Ooh. Now at the top next time, switch hands. Good. Come on. Yeah. Here you go. You got it. You got it. Come on. Hard. Snap those hips forwards. Drive them forwards. Boom. Yes. Perfect. Okay. Take a little break. Okay. So yeah. So now you've got the general idea of the swing. So now we're going to go a little bit heavier. And we're going to do it together. We're going to do 10 two-handed reps. Check out your performance, okay? So let's grab our
I'm
weights.
gonna say after that warm-up, it doesn't feel like a regular squat where they're kind of boring and difficult. It feels natural.
Yeah.
I didn't think it would, but it actually feels good.
Okay, now let's fine-tune your swing. So we're going to grab our kettlebells. Okay, here we go. Let's get it moving, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. That's perfect. And that felt pretty good, right?
Yeah.
It feels natural.
Yeah, it feels natural. I just gotta fine-tune this thing.
So now the only thing you need to do to fine-tune it is to get your hips back a little bit further, and don't move your hips back until the last minute. So it feels like I'm gonna hit myself right there. I'm gonna shoot my hips back.
Okay.
You're gonna let yourself lean forward a little bit. I think more you're hinging at the hips.
Right. I just feel awkward to not, it's like you gotta keep
To
your
not.
back straight.
It'll happen naturally. If
Okay.
you don't keep your back straight, that's the beautiful thing with a swing. You'll fall forwards. Your weight will shift forwards. So it's very foolproof. It's time for you to upgrade to the heavy weight.
What the freak, dude? Are you sure? I just got going.
Okay, let's do 10 more. Here we go.
Okay, let me get my warm up going
Get
here.
serious here. Okay. Snap those hips all the way. Beautiful. See how that cleans up the form when you get a heavier weight? Look at those legs, they're already ripped. Yeah, really get that power in there. Shoot those hips back a little further. Yes, that's it. Let go of your right hand. Come on, don't touch your leg. Good. The next one, switch hands. Come on. Yeah. 3 more. 1, 2, deep breath in on the way down. Perfect. That's way better than 98% of the swings I've seen in a commercial gym. That's perfect.
Girls. Sorry about the hours. These girls are seriously cute. I've decided to take my sister's favorite spot. Sleep in. Screw her.